I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make avocado rice. This creamy and flavorful dish is perfect as a side or a light meal. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of long-grain white rice, 2 ripe avocados, 1 large lime, and some fresh cilantro. We'll also use a few pantry staples like olive oil, garlic, and salt to enhance the flavors. First, let's cook our rice to perfection. Heat 1 teaspoon of olive oil in a medium saucepan, then add 1 minced garlic clove, cooking for about 1 minute until it smells wonderful. Next, stir in 1 cup of rice, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 3/4 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, then cover. Reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Finally, remove it from the heat and let it stand covered for 5 more minutes to ensure fluffy grains. While your rice is cooking, let's prepare the star of the show, the creamy avocado mixture. In a medium bowl, scoop out the flesh of 2 ripe avocados and lightly mash them, aiming for a creamy texture with a few delightful chunks. Next, add the vibrant zest and fresh juice from 1 large lime. Stir in 1/4 cup of freshly chopped cilantro, then season with a pinch of salt and pepper to your liking. This creates a bright and zesty base. Now for the grand finale. Once your rice is perfectly fluffed, gently add the prepared avocado mixture directly into the saucepan. Carefully fold the creamy avocado into the warm rice until everything is beautifully combined, and the rice takes on a lovely, uniform light green hue. Give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings, perhaps a little more lime juice or salt, to suit your preference. Serve this delightful avocado rice immediately and enjoy every flavorful bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.